In the name of authority, every blessing, every promise, He's faithful to keep. I speak the name no man could ever harm. He is greater, He is stronger, He's not gonna pass it on. I pray for healing. Circumstances will change. I pray that fear inside will flee in Jesus' name. I pray that a breakthrough will happen tonight. I pray miracles over our life in Jesus' name. In Jesus' circumstances will change. I pray that the fear inside will flee in Jesus' name. I pray that a breakthrough will happen today. I pray miracles over our life in Jesus' name. I pray for revival, for restoration and faith. I pray that I will call in Jesus' name. In Jesus' name.